Imagine standing tall like a majestic tree. What keeps you from flopping over like a noodle? What lets you run, jump, and even dance? It's not magic, though it feels pretty magical. It's your bones. Yes, those hard parts inside you are far more incredible than you think. They are a secret world of strength and wonder, working tirelessly every second. Get ready to discover the amazing truth about your inner framework. You will never look at your skeleton the same way again right now. You are sitting or standing. You might be wiggling your fingers. Maybe you are tapping your toes. Every single movement happens because of something truly amazing. It is hidden deep inside your body. It is your skeleton. Your skeleton is like the strong frame of a building. It holds everything else up. Without it, you would just be a wobbly blob. We are going to explore this incredible internal structure. We will discover its many surprising secrets. Get ready to unlock the mysteries of your bones. Many people think bones are just hard, dry, lifeless sticks. But that is completely wrong. Your bones are very much alive. They are active, growing, and constantly changing. Think of them like a busy, bustling city. Bones are made of several amazing things. First, there is calcium. You hear about calcium a lot. It is a super strong mineral. Calcium makes your bones stiff and hard. It gives them their incredible strength. Imagine tiny microscopic crystals. These crystals pack together very tightly. They form a super tough armor. But bones are not just brittle like chalk. They also have a springy part. This part is called collagen. Collagen is a flexible protein. It's like tiny elastic fibers. These fibers weave together. They make your bones a little bit bendy. This blend of hard calcium and springy collagen is perfect. It allows your bones to be strong but also resistant to breaking. They can absorb impacts. They can handle daily bumps and knocks. This special mix makes bones super durable. You can jump off a small wall. Your bones won't shatter. This is thanks to collagen. It prevents them from being too brittle. Bones also have living cells. These tiny cells are like construction workers. Some cells build new bone tissue. Others break down old bone tissue. This constant rebuilding keeps your bones healthy. It keeps them strong. It helps them repair themselves after an injury. And deep inside some bones, there is something called bone marrow. Bone marrow is a soft, spongy tissue. It looks a bit like jelly, but it is incredibly important. It is where your body makes all your blood cells. Red blood cells carry oxygen. White blood cells fight germs. We will talk more about marrow later. So bones are not just solid blocks. They are dynamic living structures. They are full of activity. They are truly marvelous. Now for a fun question. How many bones do you think are in your body? Take a guess. If you guessed around 206, you are exactly right for an adult. But here's a surprising fact. When you were born, you had many more bones. A baby starts with about 300 bones. Wait, what? More bones as a baby than as an adult? Yes, it's true. This is one of those wow moments. How does this happen? Many of a baby's bones are tiny. They are separate pieces. They are soft and flexible. This softness is important for birth. It also helps with rapid growth. As you grow bigger, many of these smaller bones fuse together. They join up to form larger, stronger bones. Think of it like connecting Lego bricks. Many small bricks become one big structure. For example, your skull starts as many separate plates. These plates allow your brain to grow rapidly. They slowly fuse together as you get older. They form one solid protective helmet. This fusion process continues for many years. It is still happening when you are a teenager. This is why children's bones are more flexible. They are also more prone to certain types of breaks. Doctors call these growth plate fractures. These are special areas where bones are still growing. By the time you are a young adult, most of this fusion is complete. You end up with 206 strong connected bones. Each one has a specific job. Each one works with the others. They form your amazing internal framework. Isn't that incredible? Your bone count actually goes down as you get older. Your skeleton has many super important jobs. Let's start with the most obvious one. It provides support. Imagine trying to build a tent without poles. It would just be a floppy pile of fabric. Your body is similar. Your bones are like the poles of that tent. They give your body its shape. They allow you to stand upright. They let you walk around. They let you sit without collapsing. Your spine or backbone is a central pillar. It runs from your head to your hips. It is made of many small bones. These are called vertebrae. They stack up like building blocks. These vertebrae support your head. They support your torso. They also protect your spinal cord. This is a super important nerve bundle. Without your skeleton, your muscles would have nothing to pull against. Your organs would have nowhere to sit. You would be a puddle on the floor. Your skeleton is the ultimate support system. It is always working. It holds you up against gravity. It is the solid foundation for your your entire body. Next, your bones are amazing protectors. Think of them as your body's personal bodyguard. They form a tough, strong shield. This shield keeps your most delicate organs safe. Let's look at some examples. Your skull is a perfect example. It is a hard, bony helmet. This helmet surrounds your brain. Your brain is super soft. It is also incredibly important. The skull protects it from bumps and knocks. Imagine falling off your bike. Your skull takes the impact. It keeps your precious brain safe. Then there's your rib cage. It's like a bony basket. This basket wraps around your chest. Inside this basket are your heart and lungs. These organs are vital for life. Your ribs curve around them. They shield them from harm. You can get a playful punch in the chest. Your ribs absorb the blow. They keep your heart and lungs from getting squished. Your backbone, the spine we talked about, also protects. It creates a tunnel. This tunnel runs down your back. Inside this tunnel is your spinal cord. The spinal cord is like a superhighway for messages. It sends signals from your brain to your body. It carries messages back from your body to your brain. Protecting this pathway is crucial, so your bones are not just for holding you up. They are constantly guarding your most important parts. They are always on duty. They are truly your body's built-in armor. Now, let's talk about movement. How do you move your arm? How do you kick a ball? How do you dance? Your bones are key to all these actions. But they don't do it alone. They work with your muscles. Your muscles are attached to your bones. They attach with strong tissues called tendons. When a muscle contracts, it pulls on a bone. This pulling action creates movement. Think of your bones as levers. A lever helps you lift heavy things. Your muscles are like the force. They apply the force to move the levers. But how do bones move against each other? They use special places called joints. A joint is where two or more bones meet. There are many different kinds of joints. Some joints allow a lot of movement. For example, your shoulder is a ball and socket joint. It lets you swing your arm in a big circle. Your hip is another ball and socket joint. Other joints allow less movement. Your knee is a hinge joint. It lets your leg bend and straighten, just like a door hinge. Your elbow is also a hinge joint. Some joints allow very little movement at all. The bones in your skull are fused. They don't move much after childhood. Each joint is designed for specific movements. And guess what? Bones rubbing together would be painful, so joints have a special cushion. This cushion is called cartilage. Cartilage is smooth and slippery. It covers the ends of your bones in a joint. It allows them to glide easily past each other. It's like putting oil on squeaky door hinges. Plus, joints are surrounded by a special fluid. It is called synovial fluid. This fluid lubricates the joint. It reduces friction. It makes movement smooth and easy, so your skeleton is not just rigid. It is a masterpiece of engineering. It allows you to move in countless ways. Every jump, every run, every wave is thanks to your bones and joints working together. Here is another amazing job your bones do. It is often a big surprise to people. Your bones are factories. They make blood cells. Yes, you heard that right. Deep inside some of your bones is a soft, spongy material. We mentioned it before. It is called bone marrow. Bone marrow is where all your blood cells are born. Imagine a busy factory floor. In this factory, there are two main types of blood cells being made. First, red blood cells. These cells are like tiny delivery trucks. They pick up oxygen from your lungs. They deliver it to every single part of your body. Without enough red blood cells, you would feel very tired. You would not have enough energy. Then there are white blood cells. These cells are your body's tiny soldiers. They fight off germs. They protect you from sickness. They are part of your immune system. Platelets are also made in bone marrow. Platelets are like tiny repair crews. They help your blood clot. They stop bleeding when you get a cut. So your bones are not just strong and protective. They are also constantly producing life-giving cells. They are essential for your health. This factory never stops working. It works day and night. It keeps your body running smoothly. This is a truly incredible secret power of your bones. Your bones have one more vital job. They are your body's mineral bank. Think of them like a super important savings account. This account holds essential minerals. The most important one is calcium. We talked about how calcium makes bones strong. But calcium does so much more. It helps your muscles contract. It helps your nerves send messages. It even helps your heart beat regularly. Your body needs a constant supply of calcium. If you don't get enough calcium from food, what happens? Your bones loan out some of their stored calcium. They release it into your bloodstream. This ensures your body's other functions keep working. This is why eating calcium-rich foods is important. Milk, cheese, yogurt, and leafy greens are great sources. They help you deposit calcium into your bone bank. This keeps your bones strong and full. It also ensures your body has enough for other vital tasks. So your bones are not just rigid structures. They are living, breathing storage units. They regulate your body's mineral balance. They help keep you healthy in many unseen ways. Your bones are not static. They are constantly changing and renewing themselves. From the moment you are born and throughout your life, your bones are busy. They are always remodeling. This process is like a tiny construction site within your body. There are special cells at work. Some cells are called osteoblasts. These are the builder cells. They create new bone tissue. They lay down new layers of material. Other cells are called osteoclasts. These are the cleanup crew cells. They break down and remove old or damaged bone tissue. This constant building up and breaking down keeps your bones healthy. It keeps them strong. It replaces old bone with new, fresh bone. This whole process takes about 10 years for your entire skeleton. Yes, every single bone in your body gets completely replaced over a decade. This is another wow moment. When you were a child, your bones grew quickly. They grew longer and thicker. This is what made you taller. This growth happens at special areas. These are called growth plates. They are at the ends of long bones. Once you reach adulthood, these growth plates close. Your bones stop getting longer. But the remodeling process never stops. What happens if you break a bone? Your body quickly jumps into action. The builder cells, osteoblasts, get to work. They create new bone material. They mend the broken pieces together. It's like a team of tiny carpenters. They are repairing a damaged wooden beam. With proper care, bones can heal incredibly well. Sometimes the repaired bone is even stronger than before. So remember, your bones are not just fixed structures. They are dynamic, living parts of you. They are always working to keep you healthy. Now, let's talk about bone strength. How strong do you think your bones really are? You might be surprised. Your bones are incredibly tough. They are surprisingly resilient. They can withstand a lot of pressure. They can resist a lot of bending. Pound for pound, your bones are stronger than steel. Yes, that's right. Imagine a piece of steel the same size as your thigh bone. Your thigh bone, also called the femur, would be stronger. This is our third wow moment. How can this be? It's all thanks to their unique structure. Bones are not solid all the way through. They have a dense outer layer. This layer is called compact bone. It's very solid. But inside there's a spongy, honeycomb-like structure. This is called cancellous bone. This design is brilliant. It makes bones both strong and light. Think of a bridge or a skyscraper. They use similar internal structures. These structures are strong, but they don't use too much heavy material. Your femur, the longest and strongest bone in your body, can support many times your body weight. Imagine standing on your leg. Your femur can handle that force. It can handle much, much more. It's like a super strong pillar. It supports your whole upper body. Even smaller bones are impressive. The tiny bones in your hand can withstand the force of gripping. They can withstand the force of punching. Of course, bones can break. But considering what they go through, it's amazing how rarely they do. They are designed for incredible durability. They are truly nature's engineering marvels. Let's look at some record breakers. What is the smallest bone in your body? It is found deep inside your ear. It is called the stapes. It is tiny. It's only about 3 millimeters long. That's smaller than a grain of rice. It helps you hear sounds. It vibrates to send sound signals to your brain. It's amazing how something so small can be so important. And what about the largest bone? We just mentioned it. It's your femur. It is your thigh bone. It can be up to 2 feet long in an adult. It runs from your hip to your knee. It is not just the longest. It is also the strongest bone. Imagine a bone that is strong enough to support your entire body weight. It does this even when you run or jump. It truly is an engineering marvel. Every bone, big or small, has a special role. Each contributes to your overall strength. Each contributes to your ability to move and live. So we have explored the incredible world of your bones. We have seen how they are alive and always changing. We learned how they grow and fuse. We discovered their many vital jobs. They support you. They protect your organs. They help you move. They even make your blood cells. They store important minerals. They are stronger than steel, pound for pound. They are a true marvel of nature's design. Your skeleton is not just a collection of hard bits. It is a dynamic, living framework. It allows you to do everything you do. It empowers every jump, every run, every laugh. It is truly your hidden superpower. It works silently and tirelessly every single day. So next time you move or stand tall or even just breathe, remember your amazing bones. Give them a mental high five. What is the most surprising thing you learned about your bones today? Or maybe you already knew something super cool. Share your thoughts in the comments below. We love hearing from you. Keep exploring, keep learning, and keep wondering about the incredible world inside you.